Welcome to this tutorial on why use CyberScout Login, a comprehensive identity theft protection service. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices of using CyberScout Login to safeguard your personal and financial information. First, let's start with the basics. CyberScout Login is a secure online platform that provides users with a range of tools and services to protect themselves from identity theft and cybercrime. With CyberScout Login, you can monitor your credit reports, track your personal information, and receive alerts if any suspicious activity is detected. One of the main reasons to use CyberScout Login is to protect your identity from theft. Identity theft occurs when someone uses your personal information, such as your name, social security number, or credit card details, to commit fraud or other crimes. By using CyberScout Login, you can monitor your credit reports and financial accounts in real time, and receive alerts if any unusual activity is detected. Another reason to use CyberScout Login is to safeguard your personal information. In today's digital age, it's easy for hackers and cybercriminals to access your personal information, such as your email address, phone number, and home address. With CyberScout Login, you can track your personal information and receive alerts if it's being used or shared without your permission. In addition to protecting your identity and personal information, CyberScout Login also provides a range of other benefits. For example, you can use the platform to monitor your credit score, track your financial accounts, and receive alerts if any suspicious activity is detected. You can also use CyberScout Login to access a range of educational resources and tools, such as identity theft protection guides and credit monitoring tips. To get started with CyberScout Login, simply visit the website and create an account. You will be prompted to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address, and create a password. Once you have created your account, you can log in and start using the platform to protect your identity and personal information. In conclusion, using CyberScout Login is an effective way to protect your identity and personal information from theft and cybercrime. By monitoring your credit reports, tracking your personal information, and receiving alerts if any suspicious activity is detected, you can safeguard your financial and personal well-being. We recommend using CyberScout Login as part of your overall identity theft protection strategy, and taking advantage of the range of tools and services it provides to stay safe online.